In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to control access to a Jira project in Atlassian Jira. Managing who can view, edit, or contribute to your Jira projects is a crucial aspect of project management, ensuring that sensitive information is only shared with the right people. Whether you're overseeing a small team or managing larger organizational projects, these steps will guide you in setting up the appropriate permissions for your specific needs. To get started, navigate to your Jira project. Once you're there, look for the three dots icon next to your project's name. Clicking on this icon will open a menu. From here, you'll want to select Project Settings. This will take you to a new page where you have a variety of options to configure your project. On the Project Settings page, look for the Access option and click on it. This section is key to modifying who can interact with your project. Here, you'll find the Change Project Access button. Click on this to proceed with selecting the right access level for your project. Now you have a few options to consider based on the level of access you wish to provide. If confidentiality is your priority, choose the private setting. This means only users who have been explicitly added to the project with a specific role can view or contribute to the project. It's an ideal setup for teams handling sensitive data or proprietary information. Alternatively, if you want the project to be more discoverable but still maintain control over who can access it, consider the limited setting. This access level allows only those users added with a role to access the project, similar to the private setting, but your project can be found through search functionality. This could be particularly useful for larger organizations where visibility across teams is beneficial. Finally, if you're working on something more open and collaborative, you might choose the open setting. Under this configuration, all registered users on your Jira site will have access to your project. It's perfect for projects where you want to encourage broad participation and input across different teams. Once you've decided on the most appropriate access level for your project, select it and then click the Change button to apply your new settings. Always double check your choice to ensure that the right level of security is applied to your project. By following these steps, you can have peace of mind knowing that your project is accessible to the right users, precisely tailored to your specified access needs.